Hi all, welcome to another episode of Monica's Positive Vibes. It has been a long gap that we have been meeting each other in positive vibrations. Sorry for the delay because of personal reasons I couldn't upload much of the videos. Hereafter, I will be uploading videos on Thursdays. If video is not uploaded on a Thursday, I will be uploading it on a Sunday. Before starting the episode, I would like to wish you all a very happy and prosperous New Year 2022 and a very happy Pongal. May all your wishes and dreams come true, and may you be healthy, prosperous, and happy in whatever you wanted to achieve, you're going to achieve this year. Well, friends, so today's episode is all about setting a goal that can be realistic and achievable in 2022 and certain tips to regularize your access to the goal, whether you have achieved or not, making realistic analysis of the achievement, and finally achieving the goal and winning in 2022. Yes, before going into today's episode, many of you would have been thinking, why should we set a goal? And what is the necessary to set a goal? Why can't we achieve things without setting a goal? Or why a goal is important in a new year beginning? You might have these questions listed in your mind. A goal is just a target to achieve, maybe a short-term target or a long-term target, but a realistic one where you're going to focus on one thing and achieve them to have a healthy, prosperous, and satisfied life. Okay. A school going kid might set his goal to achieve all the collection of subjects to be very easy, and he or she clearing the examinations with good results. Or a office going person may have a target in a project, and he has to complete within a short spell of time. That short spell of time, his hard work towards that point of target achieving is the first step will be goal setting. See, without a point in whatever you're doing, there would not be concentration. First and foremost, we have to analyze what we have to achieve. So that is set as our goal. Second thing, after setting a goal, you have to analyze whether it's possible or not. Being in a positive vibration channel, you might tell me you should tell the way that it is possible to do the impossible. That is not the ultimate way to handle things. So before you are going into a task, you have to analyze the possibilities of success and failure. So you have to frame small strategies and check whether it will be win-win or win-lose or lose-lose. So checking those strategies, if you achieve the target, the company will go to a greater height. So it might be a win-win strategy. Or if you achieve the company's growth will go down. That is, you are winning and the company losing. Or if you also lose yourself while doing the project and your company also faces loss, then you will face loss and loss. That is lose-lose strategy. So basically I will divide the strategy part checking into 3 parts: either win-win, win-lose and lose-lose. So there is only 3 chances of cross-checking whether a task can be done or not. First, you have to frame what you're going to do as a task and check whether it is realistic or unrealistic one. Second step, you will be framing an analytic tool where you will analyze whether you can win. If you win, your surrounding also wins, or if you win, your surrounding loses, or you and your surrounding lose. That is the concept. The third thing that you have to take in consideration is set some short-term short list to check up whether you have completed as a checklist. For example, within March, a school-going kid who's writing a public examination has to cover the entire syllabus and he has to have everything listed in his mind very clearly, what he should have in the process of setting a goal, short-term goal. Whatever it is, he has to first, within a certain period of time, I should complete these many lessons in these many subjects. That will be the ultimate target or focus point where the student will set his mind and he will cross check whether he can complete the particular lessons in the particular period or he needs a longer period. So that will come in the checklist part. Consolidate a checklist so that you can cross check whether your tasks are completed or not, or you're towards your achievement or you're still stagnant in the first position. So simple as that. Setting a new year resolution itself is a task or goal setting where you will first fix a goal or a task. Second, you will analyze whether it is realistic and non-realistic. Third, you will create checklist to cross-check your progress while you are moving towards your achievement. Then the last thing is, when you are starting to achieve certain things in your task, don't be overconfident. Rather than spreading confidence within you in a lighter way, putting all your effort, and you will definitely achieve your goals. Sometimes putting that full trust that you will achieve the goal may suppress your hard work. That's the reason people say put in lot of effort, dream and convert your dream into actions. As APJ Abdul Kalam usually says this saying, I would like to conclude that set a realistic goal in this new year and achieve greater heights. Thanks for joining back Monica's Positive Vibes. Until we meet on the next week's episode, stay connected with me, keep supporting Love you all. Take care. Bye.